Hi, in this video we are going to see the state university recruitment notification, guys. So even though it is a state university from all over the India, you may apply from any state, guys. And here the opportunities are there for the postgraduates as well as the undergraduates also. So any PG with experience, you will get the 75,000 rupees per month, and PG fresher will get 50,000 rupees per month, and UG plus experience you will get the 50,000 rupees per month. So here the different sections of vacancies are there. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification, guys. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video, guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Center of Extension and Field Outreach, Delhi Technological University from Delhi, guys. And here you may check down the few project positions vacancies are there. So project head, project manager, multimedia designer, social media associate, content developer and the video producer. So the number of vacancies, along with that one the consolidated monthly salary also you may check down here. And the last date to apply for this one is 18th July 2021. Okay. So this one will give you one brief idea regarding the whatever the different positions are announced and how many openings are there and what about the monthly salary. All these things are mentioned here. And if you want to check the in details, okay, first go to the advertisement here, then you will get the newspaper advertisement, guys. Almost whatever the thing we saw here, okay, you will get that one. But here the engagement period is 1 year or the duration of the project. Okay, so up to the project is there, you can continue the work, or else the engagement period will be 1 year. Okay, so tenure is extendable based upon the performance as well as the requirement, both these two. Fine. And if you click on the job description here, then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. So in this PDF you will come to know the complete details regarding this one. So total 17 pages are there. I will just quickly show you how many positions are there. I mean the number of positions as well as the designations you already saw. But to those designations, what is the educational qualifications and experience required, that one we are going to see here. Okay. And coming to the project head, the roles and responsibilities are given here. So roles and responsibilities you just check down yourself, guys. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And monitoring and evaluation of the project and grievance redressal, resource management and data analysis and presentation, others. And I will tell you the essential qualifications. Graduation from from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks, or PG from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks, or else the integrated master's degree from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks. Okay, so by looking at this education qualifications, whatever the graduation you might be, whatever the post graduation specialization you might be, if you are having 55% of marks, then educational qualification wise you are eligible, but you have to check the work experience also. So minimum 7 years of full-time work experience after graduation, minimum 5 years of full-time work experience after post-graduation, minimum 5 years of full-time work experience after integrated master's degree. Okay, so here if you are having only the master's degree, then minimum 5 years of full-time work experience must be there. Whatever the work experience it might be, guys, that means if you finish the post-graduation and you are working in the colleges, okay, as a lecturer, teaching assistant, assistant professor for a full-time, for more than 5 years, then you can apply for this job. And check down the age limit also, 45 years as on 18th July 2021, and the few more desirable conditions are also given here, so you please check down this, guys. And while coming to the perks and benefits, salary 75,000 rupees per month and engagement period is 1 year, and after completion of the engagement period you will get the experience certificate also. This certificate will be really helpful to you to search for the next jobs, guys. And opportunity to work with Deputy CM office and become a part of Delhi education revolution also. And coming to the nature of the job is field oriented, as well as the project location is in Delhi. And coming to the next one is the project manager, guys. The roles and responsibilities: monitoring and evaluation of project, grievance redressal and resource management, data analysis and presentation. You just check this one. And while coming to the essential qualification, any graduation, any post-graduation, and integrated master's degree, anything, okay, any specialization you might be, you must have the minimum 55% of marks must be there. Coming to the work experience, if you are only graduation, then 5 years of full-time work experience. If you are the postgraduate, then 3 years of full-time experience, okay, is required. And age limitation is 40 years. And coming to the perks and benefits, 65,000 rupees per month. The engagement period is 1 year. Experience certificate will be available after completion of the engagement period. And opportunity to work with the Deputy CM office and become a part of Delhi Education Revolution. Okay. And coming to the next one is multimedia designer. Roles and responsibilities and others you may check down. Essential qualifications: bachelor's degree in design or bachelor's of fine arts from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks. Work experience, minimum 2 years full-time work experience after graduation in the relevant field. And candidates have to clearly mention whether the work experience is a full-time or else the voluntary work. Okay, you have to mention both these. I mean, which one you did. So you have to furnish the original experience certificates at the time of interview, guys. So please take care about the mentioning of the work experience. Why? Because some candidates, even though they don't have the work experience, they will just mention. Okay, you should represent the original work experience certificate at the time of interview. So age limit is 35, perks and benefits 50,000 rupees per month. Engagement period is 1 year. Experience certificate will be available. And the next one is social media associate. So roles and responsibilities, and you all check this one. Coming to the essential qualification: graduate from a recognized university with 55% of marks and a diploma or certificate course in the digital marketing or the media marketing must be there. Minimum 2 years of full-time work experience after the graduation. 35 years is age limitation, and salary 50,000 rupees per month will be available. And coming to the next one is content developer. So the educational qualification for this content developer is, graduate in mass media or communication from a recognized university with 55% of marks, or else a PG in mass media or communication with 55% of marks. So while coming to the graduate candidates, 2 years of experience is required, and the postgraduates, freshers also can apply for this one. No minimum experience. Okay. And coming to the 35 years is age limit, and 50,000 rupees per month will be available. And next one is a video producer, guys. So video producer, here the educational qualifications are bachelor's degree in design, cinematography, motion graphics, digital design from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks, or else bachelor's degree from a recognized university with minimum 55% of marks and certificate or a diploma. Minimum 3 months of duration in video editing, cinematography, motion graphics, digital design, journalism, mass communication, film studies or production, film making and the editing. Work experience minimum 2 years, 35 years is the age limit, and coming to the salary is 50,000 rupees per month. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this one, guys. And if you are interested and if you want to apply online, here the apply online is there. Step 1 is login registration and step 2 is the application form. Okay. So these are all the complete recruitment details regarding the Center of Extension and Field Outreach, Delhi Technological University, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.